Welcome to EI Cryptoverse, the place where we delve deep into the exciting world of crypto and finance. But before we jump into the details, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to be on the cutting edge of a technological revolution? To be part of something that has the potential to change the world as we know it? That's what we're all about here at EI Cryptoverse, exploring the amazing potential of blockchain technology and the fascinating world of finance that it's disrupting. So sit back, relax, and join us on this exciting journey. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of online marketing where a business rewards an affiliate for every customer or sale that they bring to the business. As an affiliate marketer, you promote a company's products or services to your audience, and when someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. There are many affiliate programs available, and some of the most popular include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Commission Junction, and ShareASale. You can sign up for these programs for free and start promoting the products or services that are relevant to your audience. To start promoting products as an affiliate marketer, you can create a website or blog, or you can use your social media accounts. You'll want to choose products or services that are relevant to your niche and that your audience will find useful. When you promote products or services as an affiliate, it's important to be transparent with your audience. You should always disclose that you're promoting products as an affiliate and that you'll earn a commission if someone makes a purchase through your link. The amount of commission that you can earn varies depending on the affiliate program and the products or services that you're promoting. Some programs offer a flat fee per sale, while others offer a percentage of the sale price. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn money online. It's relatively easy to get started, and you can promote products or services that are relevant to your audience. Just make sure to follow the guidelines of the affiliate program and be transparent with your audience. Number 4. Social media influencer. Social media influencer marketing has become a popular way for brands to reach new audiences and promote their products or services. As a social media influencer, you can leverage your large following and work with brands to create sponsored content and earn money for every post that you share. To become a social media influencer, you need to have a significant following on one or more social media platforms, such as Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Brands are typically looking for influencers who have engaged and dedicated followers that match their target audience. Once you have a strong social media presence, you can start working with brands to create sponsored content. This can include anything from product reviews, unboxing videos, or social media posts promoting a brand's products or services. When working with brands, it's important to be transparent with your audience and disclose that your content is sponsored. You should also make sure that you only promote products or services that align with your personal brand and that you genuinely believe in. The amount of money that you can earn as a social media influencer varies depending on the size of your following and the type of content that you're creating. Some influencers charge a flat fee for each sponsored post, while others earn a commission on any sales that result from their content. Becoming a social media influencer can be a lucrative way to earn money online. It requires hard work and dedication to grow your following, but once you have a significant presence, you can leverage your influence to work with brands and earn money through sponsored content. Number 3. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is an essential aspect of modern business, and many companies need help in developing and executing their digital marketing strategies. If you have skills in digital marketing, you can offer your services to businesses and help them improve their online presence and attract more customers. There are many areas of digital marketing that you can specialize in, including social media marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and content marketing. You can offer your services in one or more of these areas, depending on your expertise and the needs of your clients. To start offering your digital marketing services to businesses, you'll need to build a portfolio of your work and promote your services to potential clients. You can use your website, social media accounts, and other online platforms to showcase your expertise and attract clients. When working with businesses, it's important to understand their goals and tailor your services to meet their specific needs. You'll need to be able to analyze data and metrics to measure the success of your campaigns and make adjustments as needed. The amount of money that you can earn as a digital marketing consultant varies depending on your level of experience, the services that you offer, and the size of your client base. You can charge an hourly rate or a flat fee for your services, or you can work on a retainer basis, where you provide ongoing services to your clients for a set monthly fee. Offering your digital marketing services to businesses can be a lucrative way to earn money online. It requires a deep understanding of digital marketing, a passion for helping businesses succeed, and strong communication and analytical skills. Digital marketing is a broad field that encompasses many different areas and strategies. As a digital marketing consultant, you can specialize in one or more of these areas and offer your services to businesses looking to improve their online presence and attract more customers. One area of digital marketing that you can specialize in is social media marketing. This involves creating and managing social media accounts for businesses, developing content strategies, and running paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Social media is a critical component of modern digital marketing, and businesses of all sizes need help in this area. Another area of digital marketing is email marketing. This involves creating email campaigns to promote a business's products or services and nurture relationships with customers. You can help businesses create email lists, develop email templates, and track metrics to measure the success of their campaigns. Search engine optimization, SEO, is another critical area of digital marketing. This involves optimizing a business's website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, and attract more organic traffic. You can help businesses with keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building to improve their website's visibility in search engine results. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising is another area of digital marketing that you can specialize in. This involves creating and managing paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads and Bing Ads. You can help businesses set up and optimize their campaigns to reach their target audience and maximize their return on investment, ROI. Content marketing is another area of digital marketing that you can specialize in. This involves creating high-quality, engaging content to attract and retain customers. You can help businesses develop content strategies, create blog posts, videos, and infographics, and promote their content on social media and other platforms. Digital marketing is a rapidly growing field that offers many opportunities for entrepreneurs and consultants. By specializing in one or more areas of digital marketing, you can help businesses succeed online and earn a lucrative income as a digital marketing consultant. Number 2, podcasting. Podcasting has become a popular and accessible medium for content creators to reach audiences and share their passions and knowledge. If you have a passion for podcasting, you can start your own podcast and monetize it through various means. One way to monetize your podcast is through sponsorships. This involves partnering with brands and companies that align with your podcast's content and values and promoting their products or services to your audience. Sponsorships can be in the form of pre-roll or mid-roll ads, sponsored segments, or product placements. Sponsorships can be a reliable source of income for podcasters with a large and engaged audience. Another way to monetize your podcast is through ads. Advertisers can purchase ad space on your podcast, which can be in the form of pre-roll or mid-roll ads, or even post-roll ads. You can sell your ad space to advertisers directly, or you can join an ad network like AdvertiseCast or Podcorn to help connect you with potential advertisers. In addition to sponsorships and ads, you can also monetize your podcast through Patreon. Patreon is a platform that allows creators to receive support and funding from their listeners. You can offer exclusive content, merchandise, or access to special events to your patrons in exchange for their support. To start a podcast, you'll need to choose a topic that you're passionate about and that has an audience. You'll also need to invest in some basic equipment, including a microphone, recording software, and editing tools. You can host your podcast on platforms like SoundCloud, Libsyn, or Podbean. Once you've produced a few episodes of your podcast, you can start promoting it through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Building an engaged audience takes time and effort, but with consistency and high-quality content, you can grow your podcast and attract potential sponsors and advertisers.